Welcome to my channel. Let us learn how to simplify this beautiful expression in a correct way. 99% of students got this wrong. Let's have a solution. Now right here, of in mathematics means multiplication. Therefore, we are going to have this 1 divided by 4 multiplied by into we have 2 and 3 over 4 divided by 2 over 8 plus 1 and 2 over 3. Now, we are going to use this order of operation, PEMDAS, or use BODMAS. The two of them will give us the same answer if you apply them correctly. Now, first from here, we have parentheses with the same thing like brackets. There's no exponents here. We have multiplication, we have division, addition, and there is no subtraction in this expression here. Then from this order of operation, we are going to treat parentheses first. But we are going to simplify the terms in this brackets first. Now inside the parentheses, we are going to convert this mixed fraction to an improper fraction first. And by so doing, you are going to have this 1 divided by 4 multiplied by, here we have this 4 multiplied by 2, that to give you 8, and 8 plus 3, that gives you 11. Then divided by 4, and here we have divided by 2 over 8, then plus 1 and 2 over 3. Now still inside the bracket, we have division here. That means the first implication was not completed. Now here, we are going to apply KCF here. That means you are going to keep this. We change this and we flip this. That is KCF. We have this. Keep, change, and flip. When I saw the expression becomes 1 over 4 multiplied by into 11 over 4 multiplied by 8 over 2 plus 1 and 2 over 3. And we have this 1 over 4 multiplied by, inside the bracket again, we can divide this either. Here, 4 divided by 1 and 4 into 8 is 2. I'll write here 2 divided by 2, that will give us 1. Then 11 multiplied by 1, that will give us 11 here. Then plus 1 and 2 over 3. Now at this point, still following the order of operation PEMDAS, right here, we have multiplication, we have addition here. Well, right here, we need to take multiplication before addition. But at this point, we have 1 multiplied by 11, that to give us 11. Then all over 4 plus 1 and 2 over 3. Now at this point, We are going to convert this mixed fraction again to an improper fraction before we can carry out the addition, and we are going to have this. We have 11 divided by 4 plus here 3 times 1, that gives us 3 plus 2, and we have a 5 divided by 3. Now right here, we can choose to find the lowest common multiple here, that's the LCM, in the denominator, or we can also apply what we call cross multiplication or butterfly method. But right here, let us apply the butterfly method right here. Now by so doing, we are going to cross multiply this with this, and we are going to have 11 times 3, that will give us 33. Now we also have here 4 multiplied by 5, that will give us 20. Then what you need to do, this addition, you add this, then divided by here, you multiply 4 and 3, 4 times 3, that gives us 12 here. Now to add the numerator, and you have 33 plus 20, that will give us 53 divided by 12. Now if you break this down, or you take it to mixed fraction or decimal, we are going to have 53 divided by 12, that will give us 4 and 5 over 12 in mixed fraction. Or if you take this to decimal, you're going to have 4.42 approximate. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Please do wait to subscribe to my channel. If you have done that already, thank you so much. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.